The genius of HEX is that it is a genuine money printing machine. Let's talk about how to mint your own money. Bitcoin did a 6 million times return, but how many people were able to capture even a fraction of that 6 million X? Let me show you. The problem with speculation in any market, but especially crypto, is that everyone has a price. The higher prices go, the more likely they are to sell their assets. Nobody has outperformed the 6 million X of Bitcoin by trading. Traders always lose. People who sold HEX on a 10x or even a 100x are kicking themselves in the head as HEX's price has increased over thousands of times already. Why are there so many rich HEX owners? The maximum return in HEX is only available to people who stake their coins, which locks up billions of dollars that are not available to buy or sell on the market. HEX stops people from getting in their own way of riches. Selling HEX is like selling a money printing machine. The question is, why would anyone sell a money printer for money if they could just print more? HEX users capture massive returns because they do not sell their money printing machines. Because after all, you need to hold HEX in order to stake HEX, and unlike holding other cryptocurrencies, if your HEX stake is locked up, there's never a panic to sell. HEX saves people from themselves by monetizing the deferral of gratification. There is no better feeling in the crypto market than locking in T-shares and letting the money printer get to work.